Hello friends, today there is question session, so my students are going to be asked some questions, how they are going to answer those questions which they are going to be asked. You can also answer those questions which they are going to be asked so that you could get confidence while answering those questions, clear? So you can see the confidence level also of my students, how they are going to be confident while answering those questions, clear? So one by one, everyone is just going to give his introduction or her introduction. So see, first I'm just going to ask Akshita. Yes, tell your name.
A very refreshing and warm good morning to one and all. This is Akshita Kakoria from Glorious Institution, and recently I am pursuing BCom Honors from Gandhi College, which comes under Delhi University. And my hobbies, I love to dance. This is a short introduction.
Yes, Ankush.
Okay, be kind to those who are unkind, they need it the most. Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Ankush Ritar. I have done my 10 plus 2 from government school, and currently I am pursuing human resource management from College of Vocational Studies. That's all my short.
Next.
A super trendy futuristic expalidocious good morning to everyone. I'm Monica Maheshwari and today from Glorious Institution, and my hobbies are to dance and sing. That's it.
Yes.
So good morning to all of you. My name is Deepak Singh. Currently I am pursuing engineering from Delhi Tech, Guru Gobind Singh University, Delhi Technical Campus. Thank you.
Very good.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Saurabh. I completed my graduation from Syed Bhagat Singh College, Delhi University.
Yes.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Karan, and recently I passed 12th class from government school, and I pursuing BCom government college.
Yes. Next.
Hello guys, my name is Praveen and now I am pursuing my BCom honors from the DU college.
Okay. Yes.
Good morning everyone, myself is Arvind Gautam, and right now I completed my graduation from Agra University. Thank you.
Okay. Yes. Muskan.
A sweeter smile, a great day comes out for you today. For today, my name is Muskan, and I am pursuing my second year from SOL Delhi University, and my hobbies are singing and dancing.
Yes.
First of all, super expialidocious good evening, good morning to all of you. My name is Dharuvi and I am pursuing science stream.
Yes.
Good morning to all. My name is Zia. I study in 9th class. My hobby is dancing and singing. That's it.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Priya and I read in class 10, and I'm from Glorious Institute, and my hobby is one-day study. That's it.
Okay, well done, well done. So now everyone has given their introduction. So now I'm going to ask very interesting questions. So the answer which is just going to be given, that needs to be given in present indefinite only. So आपको भी present indefinite में ही आंसर करना है, और बहुत ही difficult task है ये, क्योंकि s और yes का यूज होना है और do और does का यूज होना है. तो आपको पता नहीं होगा तो present indefinite. जैसे कि अगर मैं पूछूं कि does अक्षिता know, तो क्या अक्षिता जानती है, तो यहाँ पर अक्षिता शी करके यूज आंसर करेगी, आई करके आंसर नहीं करेगी. आई मतलब कि हाँ आई नो अबाउट दिस थिंग, तो आई करके आंसर नहीं करेगी. तो मैं बोलूंगा डज अंकुश नो दिस थिंग, तो डज अंकुश नो मतलब क्या है, अंकुश यही बंदा है, और कोई कैरेक्टर नहीं है, और कोई बंदा नहीं है, इसी बंदे की बात हो रही है. तो अंकुश यहाँ पर ही से आंसर करेगा, ही से, ठीक है ना. तो यहाँ पर आई से आंसर नहीं करेगा. तो लेट्स हम सी दैट हाउ दे आर गोइंग टू आंसर दोस क्वेश्चंस. वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. So first I'm going to ask questions, I'm going to ask Ankush some of the questions. First question is, does Ankush know that everywhere and everything there is adulteration? So what sort of steps or actions does Ankush take to have himself stay away from that adulteration?
So first of all, thank you so much sir for asking this question and conducting this class. And I would like to speak on that topic. So yes, Ankush believes in that, and Ankush is very well equipped with that thing. Yes, adulteration is each and everywhere. Whether I talk about milk, whether I talk about anything, it is each and everywhere. Like if we want to bring milk, so we have to bring it into the packet. So there is also adulteration over there. So what are the steps Ankush takes now after getting aware about the adulteration? Like he used to have momos allowed in the plastic plates only, but now he doesn't have. So I think these are the small steps which will lead his future into a brighter way. So these are the steps he takes to avoid the adulteration.
Okay. So what is the is there any contribution from the side of Ankush to the development of this country?
Yes, there are lots of steps from Ankush's side. Like he teaches a poor student, he loves to teach others as well. But there is a Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar had said once, like education is the only weapon which can win any war. So I think like I believe in that. That is Ankush believes in that statement, and he is completely focused on that. So this is the step he took to develop this nation. You know, the education is the only thing which can develop this nation. So he is contributing in that side, like he teaches the people who are not well equipped with the money, that they can go anywhere and they can teach, they can get knowledge. So he teaches over there as well.
Okay, so next question is to you. That is, English is the only language which generates more confidence inside of a person, or are there other things also which sucker a person to generate more confidence?
No, Ankush doesn't think like English is the only language which brings confidence in somebody's life or someone's life. Ankush doesn't believe in that statement. Like he believes knowledge brings the confidence. Whether you are speaking in Hindi or English, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
What matters most is the knowledge. Whatever I am speaking or whatever somebody is speaking, we look for their knowledge only. So I think Ankush thinks like it doesn't matter about English, and what matters most is knowledge.
Okay, does Ankush know water has been contaminated, air has been contaminated, means pollution keeps increasing? So what sort of actions or steps does he take to have himself stay away from that pollution?
It is really sad that everybody is aware like water has been contaminated and our air has been also contaminated. So what are the steps from the side of Ankush like he takes? So he avoids going by his own vehicle now. He generally use public vehicles, public transport. It's a contribution from the side of him. Like he doesn't want this earth or this environment to get contaminated. And second step about water, what he does to save the water. So he asks his mother not to throw something in the clean water. So I think in that way we can save our rivers as well, and there are a lot of steps which has been taken by Sadhguru and Ankush follows, which have been taken by Sadhguru, and Ankush follows that one as well. Like there is one step which he took, it was really for rivers, in which they tell people like these are the only things which will help in our future, and we should not throw garbages in our rivers. So I think he believes in that statement as well.
Okay, does Ankush know that marriage is equal to responsibility? So is he enough capable to take that responsibility? Means, does Ankush want to get married or not?
It's such a hypothetical question. I would like to answer it as well. Yes, Ankush believes in this. Like marriage is equals to responsibility. I have seen Ankush have seen what happens in the after marriage. Like his brothers are also means they got married, and what responsibilities have been completely changed now. Like what they used to do, they used to go to gym in their past before getting married. But now what do they do?
Yes, exactly.
They just come home and they just play with their kids and they just do whatever they want to do. But they don't focus on themselves. So yes, Ankush believes that responsibility completely changed after marriage. Like we have to take care about each and everyone in the family. We have to take care about our spouse as well. So yes, marriage is equals to responsibility according to Ankush.
And last question, Ankush, does Ankush know that everything is being privatized? So is Ankush in the favor of privatization or not?
Although Ankush is the hardcore supporter of BJP, but on this matter he condemns BJP. Like nobody can do whatever they want to do, whatever they wish to do. So yes, in this matter Ankush is completely against privatization. Like they have just privatized Air India and they privatized Air India, and there are lots of things like MCD has been completely privatized now, and a lot of things have been privatized now. So Ankush is not in the favor just because he is also aspirant of SSC. He is preparing for SSC and all those exams. So yes, he doesn't believe and he condemn Modi government for just because of that thing. Like he is not in a favor of privatization.
Oh, well done. Ankush, आप भी ताली बजाइए. बहुत ही जबरदस्त आंसर किया इन्होंने. Super, जबरदस्त, मजा आ गया. You must have also seen the confidence level of Ankush. Thank you so much, Ankush, for answering those questions which you had been asked. Now it is the turn of Akshita. Akshita. So first question is to you. That is, does Akshita know that everywhere in everything there is adulteration? So what sort of steps does she take to have herself stay away from that adulteration?
First of all, thank you so much for giving the opportunity to be here and talking on this question. So I am, first of all, I am very delighted to speak on this topic. And yes, Akshita is very well acquainted with the thing that everywhere in everything adulteration is there. So before talking about adulteration, I would like to address you on the word adulteration. If any impure material is mixed in the pure material, so that is adulteration, which is degrading the quality, actual quality of the material. It is adulteration. Nowadays there is like everything there is adulteration. From top to bottom there is adulteration. In the milk, in the oil, even in the organic material also there is adulteration. So what steps which is being taken by Akshita to keep herself away from the adulteration are the following steps. First of all, we cannot do more things, so we can give importance on the small things, such as Akshita always grows a plant tree in her balcony. So this is one of the major steps which is taken by Akshita. And second thing is, whenever she goes to the market, she always prefers, and whenever she is buying a grocery, so she always prefers the grocery which are somewhere less in color. The color is faded, because as you also know, if the color of pulses are dark, so that means they are polished pulses. So she always prefers the less color pulses. And one more thing which she does nowadays, So basically she goes for the food which is authorized by the government, such as she always sees FSSAI marks is there on the food which is authorized by the government, and there are various marks also there. For example, hallmark is there for gold, and egg mark is also there for agriculture product. And not only in the food adulteration is there, in everything adulteration is there. In gold is adulteration is there, electric equipment adulteration is there. So these are the few things which Akshita does to keep herself away from the adulteration.
Thank you, Akshita, for answering this question. Next question is to you. Does Akshita know that air has been contaminated, water has been contaminated, everything has been contaminated? So pollution keeps increasing. So what sort of steps does she take to have herself stay away from that pollution?
Yeah, Akshita knows very well that air is contaminated on a high scale. It is increasing at a alarming rate. So in water is contaminated, air is contaminated, then of course noise is also contaminated. So various things is done by Akshita, done by Akshita. For example, for instance, afforestation is a very big step which one can take to reduce pollution. As we also know that trees are the one who produce oxygen. So that's why. So she always produce oxygen. So she always grows tree, and she is in the support of afforestation and reforestation. Second thing which is done by Akshita, she always preferred public convenience. She always prefers public convenience for going from one place to another, as they will reduce in the pollution.
Okay. My next question is to you. That is, English is the only language which generates more confidence inside of a person, or are there other things which sucker a person to generate more confidence inside of him?
No, guys, this is a very myth of each and every person that English is the only language which can improve your confidence. No, it's a big lie. English is just a language. It's a way of communication, not your communication skills. It's just the way. So there are tremendous things which can improve anybody's confidence, rather than saying that yes, English is the only thing which can improve or enhance any other person's English. So there are a lot of things such as role play, which we mostly do. It's not whether it is in English or it is in Hindi or it is in any other language. It would definitely increase, improve, or enhance, revamp, ameliorate your confidence, definitely. So these are the this is one of the things which improves anyone's confidence.
Does Akshita know that marriage is equal to responsibility? Is she enough capable to take that responsibility? It means, does Akshita want to get married or not?
So first of all, yes, Akshita very well knows that marriage is totally equals to responsibility, because marriage is something different. You are marrying to not only one person, to the entire family of that person to whom you are marrying. So it's equal to the responsibility. You have to care. You have to care about the whole family. So that's why yes, it is equal to responsibility. And no, Akshita is not ready for marriage. So yeah.
Okay, my next question is to you. That is, does Akshita believe in superstitious things?
Sometime, no. It's a big no, because Akshita doesn't believe in superstitious thing. although it has been cultivated by her family to her from her childhood that you need to believe in superstitious things. There are a lot of things which are happening in our day-to-day life. For example, if any cat is moving from your
crossing your
road
way before you.
So basically, there is a superstitious thing, and now Akshita is reducing herself to believe on the superstitious things.
Okay, why should people join Glorious Institute?
Okay, so this is a very I like this question very much. Thank you so much, sir, for asking this question. See, there are a lot of things which you can get by coming to Glorious Institution. I have already told you that no, English is not only thing which can help you to enhance your English. There are other ways also. For example, in Glorious Institution, you'll get to learn about the knowledge. Knowledge is one of the factors, and by joining the Glorious Institution, you'll get the knowledge. First thing. Second thing, there are a lot of tasks which is performed in the Glorious Institution, such as role play is there, question session is there, which is happening right now, and facing camera. This is also one of the tasks, and which helps a person to improve their confidence. Camera plays a vital role in improving anyone's confidence. There are other tasks as well, such as voice modulation classes there, and last thing which I want to say, that this is not only Glorious English classes, this is also kind of consultancy or ethics you'll get when you'll come here, because the moral principle you'll get by coming to.
And last question, Akshita, that is there any contribution from the side of Akshita to the development of this country?
Okay. Alright. So there are various pillars which help any country to be developed, such as poverty is there, very big issue. In the society, poverty is there. Like most of the people in India are below the line of poverty. So Akshita contributes in eradicating poverty by contributing some money to the NGOs, not to the religious places such as temple, whether it is mosque or churches. So she contributes, although she is not earning well, so she cannot contribute in the high amount, but a small amount she can, and she does.
Very good. एक बार clap कर दो Akshita के लिए. Well done. Super. बहुत अच्छा. आप भी तालियां बजाइए इनके लिए. Super. बहुत अच्छे से आंसर दिया इन्होंने. Next, Monica. So my first question is to you. Does Monica know that everywhere in everything there is adulteration? So what sort of steps or actions does she take to have herself stay away from that adulteration?
Thank you, sir, for asking me this question, because that's a very, very important question which we are not discussing nowadays. Yes, Monica believes that there is adulteration in everywhere, in everything. Firstly, I would like to tell you the meaning of adulteration. Adulteration is something that is making a food or anything in poorer in quality by adding some more bad products in it. So basically, Monica wants to revamp in adulteration, but she wants to efface adulteration. She always choose better product from the market. Whatever she is buying, she always choose the product which is having some standardization, and always she focus on the material which is used. Focuses on the materials on which it whatever she is buying. Second thing, she never let the consumer corner, because sometimes it was written on the package that whatever your ingredient is used, that is very beneficial for your health, but no, they were not at all beneficial for our health, because sometimes there are some adding products in it. So always check the product whatever you are buying. She always take the steps. She always buy the product on which she is getting standardization. Where she always check the product for eating, she always choose the product which is FSSAI mark on it, chooses the product on which it was written that FSSAI. Second thing, she also does the rapid test with the food product whatever she is buying. Rapid test is like that when she is using any type of coffee, she pour it into the water and she checked it that is it adulterated or not. When the coffee comes up, that means that coffee is adulterated. So she always take these type of steps before using any product.
Okay, very good, Akshita. Very good, Monica. My next question is to you. Is there any contribution from the side of Monica to the development of this country?
Yes, there is contribution. People used to think that it's the responsibility of the opulent people, but no, you can also contribute to the society. Monica always strictly follows 3 R's, because that 3 R's like reduce, reuse, and recycle. She always pursues the people to choose to follow the 3 R's. Second thing, she save fuels. Like whatever, there is generator everywhere, but she denies to use the generator at her home or any type of inverter, because sometimes it needs some fuels. So she never does it. She always plant the trees at the road. She always help the people, those who are impacting us, those who cannot have food for one day. So she always provide foods to those people.
Okay. English is the only language which generates more confidence inside of a person, or are there other things which sucker a person to generate more confidence inside of him?
No, I don't think so that English is the only language. There are lots of activities in which you are perfect. You can do. Monica always support those people, those who are talented, and they can show their talent. And on this talent, they were confidence enough. If a person likes to dance, so he is confident in his dancing, confident in his dancing, because that's his talent which he can show to everyone.
Next question is to you. Does Monica know this thing that pollution keeps increasing, air has been contaminated, water has been contaminated a lot? So what sort of actions does she take, or what sort of actions is she taking to have herself stay away from that pollution?
Monica wants to efface pollution, or she takes lots of steps. Like she always preferred public transport, because public transport is the only thing that makes that if you are using your private transport, that means that it can create more pollution. And she never does wood firing, because some of the people in winters used to fire the woods. But she never does that. She never does that, and she never fired the plastics, because it creates a huge amount of plastic. And she used only the manpower, the thing which we are using like generators and all. That's also create lots of pollution. So please try to not to use that things.
Okay. So does Monica know this thing that marriage is equal to responsibility? So is she enough capable to take that responsibility? Means does she want to get married or not?
Yes, marriage is equals to responsibility. We all know that, because marriage is one of the biggest thing in everyone's life. And Monica doesn't want to marry, because that's a very big responsibility she has to take. Because marriage is not between two people, that between the two families. Not only you have to take care of yourself, you have to take care of the people, those who are with you and those who are not with you. So Monica doesn't want to marry.
Okay, last question is to you, that is, does Monica know this thing that everything is being privatized? So is she in the favor of privatization or not?
Yes, Monica totally is in favor of privatization, because the thing which we are getting in government, in any of the government things, we are getting more faster in private hospitals or schools. The responsibility of the responsibility of the people, those who are in private sectors, they always they always done it in a very fluent manner, and they don't take their steps back. So yes, she's in favor of privatization.
And last question, why should people join Glorious Institute?
Okay, that's a very, very important question for me also. The place that is slow and steady, but the institution that works like a family. That's only Glorious Institution. In this institution, I'm not getting knowledge, I'm not learning, but with this also I am building my confidence level. That's so high nowadays, because I won't be able to speak to the people, but now Monica started speaking. Monica started giving her points to everyone. And in this institution, you are not just learning, you are focusing on voice modulation. That is very important for you. And second thing, that is role play, question session. We are doing lots of activities, and after the class, if you are not feeling well, sir also perform some activities like dancing, singing, to make you feel better in the class. So that's the institution that works like a family for me. So a great thank you to you, sir, for this institution, and thank you.
Well done, well done. Awesome. Clap for the mic. Avi, clap for the mic. So Muskan, अब आपके बारी, खड़े हो जाइए. So, my first question is to you. That is, does Muskan know that everywhere in everything there is adulteration? So, what sort of actions or steps does she take to have herself stay away from that adulteration?
First of all, sir, I would like to thank you that you have given me a big or precious opportunity. And my answer is she knows that adulteration is everywhere in everything because she keeps her finger on the pulse and she cognizant about everything. The step she is taken by she takes she always makes sure that the FSSC mark on every product or processed food item. She always avoid junk food or processed food items. And third point is she always make sure or clean the food items that are.
Okay. My next question is to you. Does Muskan believe in superstitious things?
Okay, sir. So first of all, she would like to give the definition of superstitious thing. So having or showing belief in superstition is called superstitious things, belief. So she wants to give some example of superstitious things like black cat superstition. Second is under a ladder. Third is opening an umbrella inside. And she doesn't believe in superstitious things because she believes in benedictions. She believes in benedictions. She always search what is the reason behind of that or this thing, and she thinks like there is a superstition belief like it is proven false. That's all.
Okay. My next question is to you. Does Muskan know that pollution keeps increasing? Water has been contaminated, air has been contaminated a lot. So what sort of steps does she take to have herself stay away from that pollution?
Yes, Muskan knows that air has been contaminating. Pollution keep increasing day by day because of several reasons like acid rain, man-made artificials, products like fuels, etc. And third is eutrophication process. And she takes the step by she takes the following step like she always makes sure the heating and cooling of the temperature of home appliances. Second is she always makes sure about where she is going, by which she is taking a bus or a public convenience.
And last question is to you. Why should people join Glorious Institute?
Okay, sir, this is very precious question for me because I have seen a drastic revamp in myself or in own self. Like if you join this Glorious Institute or if you have seen my last video where I had spoken a lots of vocabulary words, idiom and phrases, I know you got at wit's end and you got perplexed, bewildered. And the second thing, if you join this institute, you will get to know about how the takes bull by the horns. And the second thing is how to build your confidence, not by the English language but many more activities which we all are performed like voice modulation, camera session class and role play, etc. That's also.
May I ask another question?
Yes, sir.
What is the contribution from the side of Muskan to the development of this country? Is there any contribution from the side of Muskan to the development of this country?
Okay, she totally acknowledged with this statement. Like she is giving so many contribution. Like she always makes sure that she always educate or make sure that the person who is preparing for exam, she always help. Like, and second is she gives 18% GST on water which she drinks. That's also.
Oh, well done, well done. Clap करो भाई, बहुत अच्छे. आप भी clap कीजिए. Super. हाँ
Yes.
चलो मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ. So my question is to you. Does Deepak know that pollution keeps increasing? Air has been contaminated, water has been contaminated a lot. So what sort of actions does he take to have himself dwell away from that pollution?
So first of all, pollution means contamination of environment due to chemicals that we use,
Very good.
that are given by many industries, and due to heat, type of energies. Heat is a type of energy which is also polluting, due to which global warming is going on or increasing. So there are three types of pollution mainly: land, water, air. So first of all, the use of plastic. We whenever we whenever we buy something from the market, we just put it in, throw it in the ground, and that mix with the land, and due to which its crop growing ability is going down. And in a research I have seen that due to plastic, the water level in the ground is also going down, because water can't able to go deep down the earth. And second, air.
Go down.
Air. We have used chemicals in our houses, and we use vehicles that are producing CO2, by which global warming is increasing. And acid rain, as Muskan said, acid rain is also creating a problem. Birds are affecting from it, and whenever are being affected by it. And whenever acid rain comes, it also affecting the land.
They are affecting
the land. And third is water. Big industries were set up near a river because they want water, and they don't follow the regulation of the government. They altogether put their chemicals, left out chemicals in the rivers, and that was causing water pollution also, due to which marine animals such as fishes, many varieties of whales are affecting also.
are being affected.
Has been affected. So steps taken by Deepak: first of all, don't throw any plastic waste or any type of garbage in the rivers.
He does not throw.
He does not throw any type of garbage in the ground. He put it on the
Into the
dustbin. And after that, we have read about 3R: recycle, reuse, reduce. So we have to follow it. And then after, I think we should use public vehicles as much as we can.
Does Deepak do or not?
Yes, sir. He doesn't have any bike, car, so he always travel through public vehicles.
Okay. May I ask another question?
Yes, sir.
Very good. एक बार clap करो मुझे. My next question is to you. That is, does Deepak know that everywhere in everything there is adulteration? So everything has been adulterated. Means things are being adulterated with chemical substances. So what sort of steps does he take to have himself stay away from that adulteration?
Sir, yes, definitely Deepak knows about adulteration. Adulteration is mixing of some cheaper substance to increase profit, to increase the weight, to increase lifetime of the goods also. So steps taken by Deepak to protect himself from adulteration are: Deepak minimizes eating junk food, because whenever you go to Burger King, Domino's, there you get things that are prepared previously, and chemicals were used there to preserve them for a long time. And after that, whenever Deepak goes to a shop, he always buys these things and goods which have FSSAI mark. FSSAI mark means Food Safety and Security Authority of India. That is regulated by the government, and the use of chemicals also regulated by the government. So I think that that's all done by Deepak, and we have to be aware more than whenever we go and buy something from shopkeeper. Whenever, such as by example, whenever we go and buy Pepsi, Coca-Cola, we can get some knowledge from the backside. They have written what types of chemical they have used. So if you read them, they are the same chemical which are used in the pesticides also. That.
Okay, my next question is to you. Why should people join Glorious Institute?
So first of all, according to Deepak, Glorious Institute is a university where you can get all things in the same place. Different opinions of people are shared in the debate. You can be firstly you have to be a good listener. That first you have to be a good listener, and then first listener. Whenever debate was going on, sir regulate the debate, give a slot of time to each participant, so that each and every student can able to give their opinions. And second, I think
Can get their opinions.
And second, I think on the first day I came here only to get knowledge of English. But from here I get to know that emotions are very important. What are you giving on the stage? Such as role plays are done here. We get some emotions so that we can easily connect with the audience. That's all.
Okay, is there any contribution from the side of Deepak to the development of this country?
There are many small contributions of Deepak in the development of the country. First of all, he doesn't throw any garbage on the roads, so that
Onto the roads,
so that drainage are not blocked. So that I think it is also helping in the development of our country. Money was not wasting there. If
It was not being wasted.
there. And second, I think always whenever Deepak goes to the shopkeeper, he takes the bill so that the shopkeeper will pay the GST that are given by us and not given to the government by shopkeeper. In petrol pumps we have give GST. In food, always you go to Kendra Bhandar, you will take a slip where GST is also mentioned there, and that's all.
Very good. It was unexpected, inexplicable, unpredictable, incredible, or unprecedented. Super. Excellent. Well done. Next, Karan. What is it?
50
इस बार तो ये लंबी क्लास ही डाली.
1 घंटे हो जाए.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Please ask.
Karan, now it's your turn to answer those questions which are about to be asked. So they are going to be more exciting or they are going to be more interesting. So do you want to answer those questions?
Yes, sir. I try.
Okay. So first question is to you. Does Karan know that pollution keeps increasing, air has been contaminated, water has been contaminated? So what sort of actions or steps does he take to have himself stay away from that pollution?
Yes. Karan, no. The air, water contaminated nowadays. So first of all, these are things are जो cauliflower है.
Oh.
Okay. So how Karan handle this? First of all, he says that don't use plastics and don't use smoking. So through the reduce the air pollution. Okay, and also if we talking about water pollution. So first of all, the factories garbage throughout the river. So that is why water pollution increasing day by day. So what Karan do? So
What does Karan do?
What does Karan do? So first of all, Karan does to aware to please don't throw the garbage in river
into the river.
So Karan aware from.
Okay, Karan makes people aware of it.
Karan make people to aware.
Aware. Okay, very good. Is there any contribution from the side of Karan to the development of this country? Is there any contribution from the side of Karan to the development?
Yeah,
of
Karan does contribute to our development. First of all, Karan buy a pen.
No, buys a pen.
Buy a pen. So Karan pay also
Tax.
tax.
Okay.
Karan buy a book.
Buys.
They also buys book. He buys a book, so he also pays a tax. So in this way, Karan does pays tax
To the government.
through the government and to
And by this way,
implement our
the country is developed.
development.
Okay, well done. Next question is to you. Why should people join Glorious Institute?
Why? Why Karan joined the Glorious Institute? Because in this institute lots of knowledge given by all the students. Okay, and second one is camera classes also available, voice modulation, role play, lots of things are there. Lots of things are there. So it's like a university. Also, reflected. Sorry,
Has been spoken by Deepak.
Yeah, has been spoken by Deepak. So that's it.
Very nice.
In this
Okay, my next question is to you. Does Karan know that marriage is equal to responsibility? So is he ready to take the responsibility? It
Karan-
means, does he want to get married or not?
Karan knows marriage equal to responsibility. That is why Karan does not marry in now time.
Okay.
So
That's it. Very good. Take a turn to clap of the last next question. Okay. Does he believe in superstitious things?
Yeah, sometime I believe. For example, cat cross the road before me. So I think that nothing could happen, and I go. Okay, and second one is lots of people are do क्या बोलते हैं रोड पे कुछ करते हैं रोड पे डूबू डालते हैं
Rituals, they perform.
they perform rituals. So Karan in mind think that we Karan don't put your leg in that area.
Karan does not.
That does not put your leg in that area.
In his
So
area.
in his area. So Karan is something believe and sometimes doesn't believe.
That's it. Yes, Karanveer. Arvind? हाँ, चलिए खड़े रहिए. Yes. हाँ, next. My first question is to you. अरे आवाज नहीं. Does Arvind know that everywhere and everything there is adulteration because things which you are having are being adulterated with inimical substances, means they are so detrimental. So what sort of actions does he take to have himself dwell away from that adulteration?
If we talk about the adulteration, everybody aware of these kind of things, adulteration.
Adulteration.
If we see there is adulteration in each and every product. If you purchase pulse, there is also adulteration. Before time we used to purchase the pulse, there that boiled in the 1 hour. But nowadays we will purchase a pulse that they take a lot of time to boil. And also I would like to say something about the bodybuilding products. There is also adulteration in that product. They show there is no adulteration, but there is adulteration. Whenever they take, sometimes they get harm.
They get harmed?
They get harm, but they show, the company show there is no harm whenever you will take it. And I would like to say my second point is, whenever you used to take vegetable, now whenever we used to take vegetable, whole time we take fresh vegetable, but nowadays they take injection in the vegetable. The injection can increase the size of the vegetable whenever they put the injection in the vegetable.
Okay, my next question is to you. Is there any contribution from the side of Arvind to the development of this country?
if I talk about the Arvind, if Arvind talks about the contribution in the of the country, they don't. He doesn't throw the garbage here and there.
Very good.
Like they purchase the chips after eat the chip, they don't throw here and there. They throw the garbage in the garbage dustbin. Into the dustbin. And also we know, and whenever we purchase electronic things, then we will have to pay the GST also. And Arvind doesn't throw the garbage also drain. Whenever we throw the garbage, drain jam, and still problem increase for us.
Okay, well done. Does Arvind know that air has been contaminated, water has been contaminated, everything has been contaminated? So what sort of steps does Arvind take to dwell away from that pollution?
Same thing, sir. If Arvind takes some decision to reduce the pollution, Arvind doesn't use the bike
Okay.
and car and things. They Arvind use bicycle
Arvind
because
uses.
it doesn't increase the pollution. And whenever Arvind go here and there, they use transport.
He uses.
He uses
Transport.
bus and
Public transport.
transport. They go by the metro.
He goes.
And my second point is also same again. I have already told Arvind doesn't throw the garbage in the river, drain. It will also increase the water pollution because it's
Okay, why should people join Glorious Institute?
Why should? If I talk about me, I joined this institute to show, having show my friend,
Having seen
my
the performance of my friend.
Yes, performance of my friend. We were talking very well, and whenever I see my friend, sometimes he speak with full emotion, and that's why I came here. We play a lot of role. We learn vocab. Even I don't so think in other institute you will learn these kind of things. But if you will join this institute, you will definitely learn each and everything. So that's
Very good. Very good. Ready? Yes. My first question is to you. That is, does Praveen know that pollution keeps increasing? Everything has been contaminated. So, what sort of actions does he take to have himself dwell away from that pollution?
So, sir, according to Praveen, for stay away from the pollution, so he always prefers the public transports, and if he buy any vehicle in his future, so he buys that vehicle which is driven by electricity.
Okay, driven. Okay, which is driven. So next question is to you. That is, does Praveen know that everywhere in everything there is adulteration? So what sort of actions or steps does it take to have himself stay away from that adulteration?
So, sir, according to Praveen, there is for reduction of adulteration, Praveen provide awareness among the people and in their mama's village as well, because there is a farmer who use their irrigations or they use chemical products. So Praveen provide them awareness to use the organic farming rather than chemical farming.
Okay, is there any contribution from the side of Praveen to the development of this country?
Yes, sir, there is a contribution
So
from
what
the
is
side
the
from the side of contribution. Praveen provide education to their institute as a teacher of economics, and Praveen purchases those products which is made by in India.
Okay, which are made in India. In India. Okay. So next question is to you. Does Praveen know that marriage is equal to responsibility? So is he ready to take that responsibility? It means, does he want to get married or not?
Yes, sir. Marriage is always equal to responsibility, because before the marriage a man or a woman always do anything because without thinking any about, and they expenditure all things without asking anyone, but after marriage he is always think about their family and their partner as well, and
About his family.
and about his family. And Parveen really doesn't want to get married, but he is the elder one of his family, so he married.
Okay, he will get married. Okay. My next question is to you. That is, does Praveen know that everything is being privatized or has been privatized? So, is he in the favor of privatization or not?
So not properly, Parveen does not properly favor in the privatization, because privatization due to privatization, government sale of their shares to the privatized sector as
Private sectors.
Private sector, as we seen in the GSTs and metro sector or other sectors as well. So in the private sectors, the government is helpful to make their debt, and the workers of the in the privatized companies are also efficient and effectively work. And but there is a disadvantage of privatization, because all companies which are made under the privatization, so they always prefer the capital intensive technique rather than labor intensive technique. So there is a disadvantage for the laborers of an economy.
Well done. Why should people join Glorious Institute?
So sir, according to me or Parveen, doesn't always prefer Glorious Institute, because their faculties are the more interested in their child, and they doesn't focus only English, and always focuses on their other activities, like which you can always see our other videos. So that's why.
Well done. तो मैं आपको ये बोलना चाहूंगा कि ये कितने अच्छे तरीके से इन्होंने आंसर किया और सारे क्वेश्चंस का. सो अक्षिता कुछ बोलना चाह रही है.
Yes,
यस
I
अक्षिता.
actually wanted to say something.
हाँ.
As this question was asked by, I guess, to the every student of this class, adulteration. I actually urge you to all my viewers and my companion to watch Beshakal movie. It's a South Indian movie, and in this movie you will get to know that how organization they are doing adulteration just for their benefit. So I urge everyone